Hi guys, I'm going to show you my monster hideouts. So I'm going to start with Abby. I'm going to start with the first ones I got. So I actually got Frankie, but she got ruined. So the second one I got was Golia Yelp. This isn't her actual outfit, but I couldn't find a skirt. This is Golia Yelp. She has a arm that broke, and like, it's a broad outfit, and I have other guys wear her shoes. She's a zombie, she doesn't need shoes. Okay, then I got, I think it was, before that, I actually got Jackson. I actually, put him in pink, so it's I don't tell my stuff. Okay, then next, I got Claire Denial, and her hair is all messy, and all that. And she has a broken leg, so, or leg. Okay, then I got Draculaura. Here's Draculaura, this is actually what she looks. And after that, I got, Abby Abominable. This is Dawn of the Dance Abby Abominable. And then I got Rochelle, Scare Sprite, and Laguna Blue Dance Class. And back here is Rochelle's Laguna room. But now I'm gonna actually give you the details about them, Rochelle and I'm gonna start with Laguna. Laguna has these cool shoes that actually will go up and down like that, and they can actually go like that. You can bend them wherever you want. Then she has a skirt you can take on and off. Well, you can obviously take the swimsuit off too. And then she has a really cool bracelet, and she has clipped hands. And her makeup is really pretty. She has purple. She has brown, but it's actually purple eyebrows. And really red lipstick. And she has blue freckles and blue eyeshadow. So here's Rochelle. She's really detailed. Really detailed. So she has her hair that's pink and blue. Her ears sticking out, and she has a bow on her hat. And this is Scare Sprites. So that's her hat. This is her dress with the Eiffel Tower. Her leggings or tights, what you want to call them. And this is her shoes. They're really cool. And this is her bracelets. Okay, so this is one of her wings I have on. And I took this one off because they can come off and on. Come here. Get this.
No.
Okay. Then she has really dark pink lipstick and blue and gray eyebrows and eyeshadow. And she has pink eyes, and she has a little bit of pink eyeshadow. Thanks for watching. Bye.